Alright guys, we have a Whirlpool French door refrigerator, and the complaint on this is compressor is not running. So if you're in a bind and your fridge is not cooling, what we're going to use here is a magnet. I'll leave a link to where you can get them. It's not the exact magnet, but it has to be a powerful magnet. And what you're going to do, all refrigerators will be different, so you can move it around until you hear the compressor starts or comes on. The relay is what powers the compressor, so you'll see shortly where I put a magnet on the relay, and there it is, and the compressor will kick on. She's running. Now you can use that temporarily until you order a board. There's a model number. That's what the fridge looks like. So if you're in a bind, you can do that. Now, I went ahead and replaced the relay, so I did not have a board, but I had the part with me. I have a feeling it might be the board. We're not getting any power to the start relay. One last test to make sure. I might have a board. That's the board, and that's the relay. So we're going to remove the old relay, solder in a new relay. There it is, out. And here I am, soldering the new relay. The relay takes the power and sends it to the compressor. And so if you want to fix your board, you can. The relay is, well, you saw it earlier where it's located, and that's the one for the compressor. And same thing if your ice auger or whatever is not working, water valve, all those are controlled by the relays. And that's my desoldering gun. I'm using it to solder. Works just fine. It's a Hacko. Hopefully I pronounced it correctly. I'll leave a link in the description. And pretty soon we're going to be putting that board in, and you'll hear the fridge up and running. Thanks for watching, guys.